who have no relevance. Way more relevance to the
project.
That's right.
What I would have loved to see, I would have said a project committee headed by Mbochi Fadu Niba. Everything in Nigeria do established. As now the project committee is headed by this our man. If he goes Reverend Fomawa, those are credible people. But one day they know their integrity. Their job will be making sure that they real buy. But now we are talking about the execution of this project. If I look at the execution of this project, here I may emphasize the term. Who are the members of the project team? Now I select here. Over this company, I'm using him as an example. I say now he have a company I made here. Now he have the people I focus on. Now I have a project I made realize called them. I saw no some I did the tongue. And that is not
Prof, Chief by hand. Yak by I yield to you, Chief.
Every man, because who made a chair, ultra given by voice to him mouth by and based on experience. Nearly better as one out of my bank and Abraham, but the Yama, young I'm very happy to Oje Sano Canada by Garayoka. Yes, we are bad habits, and as in Africa and Nigeria, over try to change. So, we are bad habits, I will be better. I consider fighting to change. I want to say from experience, what to try get a song of many years ago. Incidentally, Bombu General Secretary in the Very Welfare Union at Lagos. They had the Lord and the men of God. Yan Wawa Lord, as headed by Justice Equity. One Makoto woman, so what job, he checked this erosion. Yan made Justice Equity on Yisi. A time I was Chabua Finan get better. Majority of them on our committee on bro may belong to the legal profession. But what no ya no I work justifiably go check erosion. The only person Dr. Science inclined Mbogo an agriculturist. Apart from that, in Dojoboya, people of the legal profession. Remember, I'm saying no I work justifiably. The first rain in Biano, Yasu to war. Wow. Meanwhile, I buy all branches. Don't want to mail come. I be a no go and raise work. My Lagos, I raise work. And a man Nigeria. And they go to Lagos, a law about carry better. So we almost raised Ogo Katabu and do raise. I didn't hear. A lot of many people have gas here. And some of us we are very young that were, but I should make attack. I hear Guru Boma, if I buy a KT, Mina Sorola, and to buy Guru Boma town, Yasuru Swoya. I did hear. Say, Mark my right, a legend. Anyway, to cut the long story short, then I met someone who raised let every two. I happen to be one of the 5 or 4 they represent in Lagos. I get by General Secretary a lot of our records. So I took them through a lot of things. including Isiba, they let GB check erosion. You have all lawyers. Nabi check erosion. Obuandi Beremo, landscape expert, Obu Wemo civil engineers, Obobungini. So Yabru Nama also for them Maro. Some of which which means what on a man. And met to I Paro, I have no problem. Say, I job. The fair Javi may hobla. Kapotoya, Ndem Marona, Goa, Nova easy. Obu Mama, I can know those sufficient. Again, especially these days, acquire the school, nobody ain't worry better. So, while I had say, I don't where you may not manage, I release you, thank God that Tom girl, a low white, a material bomb, a yes, sustain to come up here, whoever. What I'm saying in essence, Yabra, no background, go dry, near to quite no quite walk home. I hate you, but you may. I got to ask you, I said, Dan, more than on her. Because our parents spend their work, dance, or ya school, not for the purpose. Because one by our work comes, say, I said, Guinea men, Bendy Beretich, this is Beretich. Bank you go Rome, one accident. Guinea moon, hospital, night job, Korea. Unu get to know again, barrister, so and so. So, in the same line, in the same vein, Okosi, Yabawanke, erosion, Ayagan, Botoro, the Metunu. And one of the things I'm cheating out of this, I'm my Malay, Osinya, Ayaka Kabali, in a database of ourselves, including our professions. Because everyone a database of ourselves, including our professions and businesses. What you do, on your blade room, at bottom funke, and Abai Elijah Bassa, when I hear technology made a ton. Yabra Boturun, them, you can matter they can link themselves on telephone. We have done it. A number of us who know be back. Maron will committee set till I go for an and we even set a station, he goes by, when you get by Biano. So, a book by him of BS, no database, where you're there, go to America, go to Lagos, go to so, what I'm saying in essence, I try more database of ourselves, including our professions. And I try, I take wrong way, I go see. I got beyond maybe where no guy or cool, can you maybe do here professionally? Go we get that all right. And to buy people, I have to go to you. Mina, that is some of what I'm saying. Mama.